Alright, Harmonix, we're back with little Runaway. So anyway, he should be ready probably another week or two. But we've really set a precedent now that when we go places, that he can have freedom, but that he's got to come back. Well, he likes to sniff around. So he's very nosy, little dog. I want to get him really where you can walk him off leash, but even if you do have the leash on, girl, you're going to be using the pager.
I have no idea
This one's a little living doll, isn't it?
And you got a corgi. Oh my gosh! What is the two favorite dogs?
What? Oh, do you like Great Danes? We got one of those too.
Oh my gosh! And I had this one.
Yeah.
Hi, beautiful. Look at you. Corgis, man. Oh. Corgis are awesome. They will take it down a pit bull.
Oh, he's a feisty one, this one. Believe me.
Hi.
He'll take down a water hose if you try to turn that on around.
Isn't that crazy? As small these dogs are, these dogs will take you down.
My captain has two of them.
Really?
Corgis are awesome.
You mean Terry Sanders?
Oh.
Oh.
He's not our captain.
Oh.
No, Terry Sanders. He's not. He's not.
The fire department. His name's
Oh.
Ed Flood is his name. We got two of them.
Sanders, yeah. I was going to say he's not.
I thought he ran evac now.
Not anymore.
He moved up in another level.
He's different somewhere else.
Oh.
We got someone new.
All right.
Oh, he's
gorgeous.
He's a little wiggle butt.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he loves everybody.
I see that.
Little hairball. Look, you got hair all over you. I tried to warn him. I tried to warn
That's what tape is for.
Okay, you guys got the tape good.
Oh yeah. Oh, I gotcha. Oh, I gotcha.
Watch out, girl. She runs in the mud, too. If there's a mud puddle, let me tell
I
you.
gotcha.
Looks like an explorer by the gut.
Oh, no, yeah, he was the little runaway before. Jack!
Oh, he's a good boy. Oh,
He
yeah.
just rubbed up against
Try
the
to-
side.
That's what tape's for. We got big tape in there.
Good.
There's a shepherd down off the dumb lawn that I can pet.
Yeah.
I get covered.
I got those, too, believe me. Jack, don't you dare catapult over there. You don't want to have to
That
get
sounds
this
like
guy
fun.
to save you.
Oh, that's
Now, that would be good,
that's
wouldn't
what
it?
Daryl does. That's what
Yes. Get a shot of that, Victoria.
Oh, he just takes all the hair off.
Jack!
Good boy.
Yeah, that looks a little dangerous there.
I love my animals. I
Actually,
love
he
these guys.
doesn't do it even in that. He does it free.
So what do? Bring him out here to train him?
Yeah, we just go to different places. I just like this little park.
All right.
He's back.
He was great. I thought I saw water moving there where he would do that.
That's just a little bit ridiculous with that road.
That was a bit, yeah.
Jack! What's going on?
Holy cow. This one right.
Please get the video of that boat so we'll know. That poor manatee is like, what's happening to me?
Holy cow. I'm not going to stay with you there. I think they realized what they were doing.
Yeah, I think they saw you guys and thought we better slow down maybe. Oh, we gotta go get the next one out. Come on, Jack,
You
all
get the Great
through.
Dane now?
What?
You get the Great Dane now?
No, we already had that one out. Now we gotta get out. I got a couple labs.
Oh my God. Oh,
And a schnoodle. I'd be scared to death. That basically looks like a go-kart.
That's pretty much what it is.
Go-kart combined with a
Airboat.
Combined with a carriage. Jack! soon.